We will guide you through how to import data from Excel to Illustrator. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening the Adobe Illustrator app. When the welcome screen appears, look on the left side and select the Create New option to begin a new document. A pop-up menu will appear where you can adjust the document settings according to your preference, or you can simply use one of the available templates if you want to start quickly. After you finish setting up the document, click Create to make your workspace and open the new file. Once your Illustrator workspace is ready, open the Excel file that contains the data you want to import. In Excel, look through the spreadsheet and select the cells containing the data you want to use in your Illustrator design. After selecting the cells, copy the selected data from Excel using the Copy command. Once the data has been copied, return to your Adobe Illustrator workspace. On the toolbar, select the Type tool to create an area where you can place the copied information. Click on the artboard where you want to place the data and create a text area for the imported content. Paste the copied Excel data into the text area using the Paste command. Illustrator will place the copied information inside the text area, allowing you to work with it as text. After pasting the data, check the imported information and make sure all of the content appears correctly and clearly. Look for missing values, incorrect spacing, or any information that may not have transferred properly. Next, use the Selection tool to select the imported data and make adjustments. You can change the font to match the style of your design, adjust the text size for better readability, and modify the alignment as needed. Finally, adjust the spacing between the rows and columns if needed. You can change the spacing so the information looks organized, visually balanced, and easy to read on the artboard.